Kohlrausch examined limiting molar conductivity value for a number of strong electrolytes, and he observed certain regularities. Now, difference in lambda naught values of electrolytes like sodium halide, potassium halide for any halogen is nearly constant. For example, lambda naught KCl minus lambda naught NaCl. यहाँ पर जो halogen atom है वो same है, but the cation is different. One is potassium, another one is sodium. तो lambda naught KCl minus lambda naught NaCl is same as lambda naught KBr minus lambda naught NaBr. Again here halogen atom is same, but the cations are different. One is potassium, one is sodium, and this is again equal to lambda naught Ki minus lambda naught Ni. Again here halogen atom is same, but the cations are different. One is potassium, one is sodium. And similarly it was found that lambda naught NaBr minus lambda naught NaCl is equal to lambda naught KBr minus lambda naught KCl. अब इस केस में halogen atom different है but cation is same. In the first case the cation is sodium and halogen atoms are bromine and chlorine. In the second case the cation is potassium, same cation but different anion, halogen atom acting as an ion. Again the difference is same. On the basis of the above observation law, which is known as Kohlrausch's law of independent migration of ions, the law states that limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte can be represented as the sum of the individual contributions of the anion and cation of the electrolyte. Thus, if lambda naught sodium ion and lambda naught chloride ion are limiting molar conductivity of the sodium and chloride ions respectively, then the limiting molar conductivity of sodium chloride is given by the equation lambda naught NaCl is equal to lambda naught Na plus lambda naught Cl minus. So according to Kohlrausch's law, lambda naught M NaCl मतलब limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte NaCl will be equal to limiting molar conductivity of Na plus ions plus limiting molar conductivity of Cl minus ion. So molar conductivity of electrolyte NaCl is equal to the sum of the individual contributions of anion and cation of the electrolyte. यहाँ से ये वाली ऑब्जर्वेशन भी जस्टिफाई हो जाएगी. For example, lambda naught M KCl will be equal to lambda naught K plus lambda naught Cl minus ion, और lambda naught NaCl lambda naught M NaCl हो जाएगा lambda naught Na plus lambda naught Cl minus. तो यहाँ पे cations डिफरेंट हैं बट anion सेम है. तो जब इनकी लिमिटिंग मोलर कंडक्टिविटी का डिफरेंस लेंगे देन व्हाट विल हैपन, lambda naught Cl minus and lambda naught Cl minus will get cancelled and we get lambda naught M KCl minus lambda naught M NaCl is equal to lambda naught K plus minus lambda naught Na plus. ठीक है. Similarly, अगर lambda naught KBr and lambda naught NaBr को कंसिडर करेंगे तो क्या होगा, lambda naught M KBr ये हो जाएगा इक्वल टू lambda naught K plus lambda naught Br माइनस, और यहाँ पे lambda naught NaBr हो जाएगा lambda naught M NaBr will be equal to lambda naught Na plus lambda naught Br minus. Now subtracting these two equations, again anion is the same, cation is different. So lambda naught Br minus will cancel and the answer will be lambda naught M KBr minus lambda naught m NaBr. This is again equal to lambda naught K plus minus lambda naught Na plus. अब अगर ये इक्वेशन 1 है, if this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2, कंपेयर करेंगे इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को, it can be seen that right hand side of equation 1 and 2 are the same. ये जो right hand side है equation 1 की और ये जो right hand side है equation 2 की, they are same. Therefore, the left hand side of the equation 1 and 2 will also be the same, which is the observation made by Kohlrausch on comparing the lambda naught m values of different strong electrolytes. Similarly, when cation is same, in this observation, when the cation is same and anion is different, the molar conductivity of cation will get cancelled. On subtracting the limiting molar conductivity of NaBr and NaCl, then since the cation is same, the limiting molar conductivity of Na plus ions will get cancelled, and on subtracting the limiting molar conductivity of KBr and KCl, the limiting molar conductivity of potassium ions will get cancelled, and the difference that is obtained is actually the difference between the limiting molar conductivity of bromide and chloride ions. Therefore, the difference of limiting molar conductivity of NaBr and NaCl is same as the difference of limiting molar conductivity of KBr and KCl, because actually it is the difference in the limiting molar conductivity of bromide and chloride ions. In general, if an electrolyte on dissociation gives this many cations and this many anions, then the limiting molar conductivity is given by, so limiting molar conductivity is equal to number of cations multiplied by limiting molar conductivity of cation plus number of anions multiplied by limiting molar conductivity of anion. In this table, the limiting molar conductivity of various cations and anions is given.